This video shows how to design a wedding invitation card in Adobe Photoshop. Firstly, you have to know the dimension to use. Here I'll be using width of 6 inches and height of 8 inches, resolution of 300, RGB color and 8 bits, and white background. You can decide to use other color. Yeah, let's add a guideline. Proceed to fill a new guide, the vertical axis to 3 and the horizontal axis to 4 inches. And as usual, I have all the resources saved in the folder. Let's begin to import them one after another. To remove the yellow line, you have to rasterize the layer. And after that, select the magic eraser tool and click the line. I will be separating the flowers into 2 layers. Select the rectangle selection tool and select the flower. Right click, then new layer vehicle. The flower is now splitted. Bring this to this edge and this to the other edge. Duplicate this and place it at the other edge. Activate the transformation and flip it horizontally. Reduce the opacity to 20% and this to 30% and go for the next image. And see, this is having a background. To remove that, rasterize the layer and make use of eraser tool. You can check the description for the link to video of how to remove a background. After erasing the background, reduce the opacity to 10%. And you can reduce the size or increase the size. Let's group this and name it flower. Lock the group layer and add the required text. But before that, I would like to choose the color to use and add it as foreground and background color. Then add the text and begin the arrangement. Let's reduce all the size and change the color. Yeah, start changing the font. Sorry, I will fast about the arrangement to avoid waste of time. Just pay attention as I will be adding the information of the font and sizes of the text. Yeah, I will be importing the next image, but I would like to add it to the flower layers. Reduce the size and the opacity to 40%. For the church wedding and traditional marriage, add a rounded rectangle and bring the layer of the rectangle shape below the text layer. We have to change the text color. I will be using Chapin Gold. Duplicate the rectangle and change the text color as well. Let us separate this with a line. Add a line and increase the height. Now I will add a color using 3-circle shape. Draw a shape and duplicate it. Make sure the layers are well arranged and duplicate the shape and arrange. Convert the shapes to smart objects and add a stroke of purple or blue color. Now to the next image. Import the image and erase the background. After erasing the background, select lasso tool and select the text and delete. You can download the PNG or form the shape, but in case you download the image with text and background, you can easily remove the unwanted parts. Alright, change the overlay color to purple and reduce the size. Alright, let's export the card. To do that, file, export and export as. Make sure this is JPG and this to great. Then export. Change the name from Artboard to wherever you like. Let's check it before proceeding to mockup. Wow, good. Let's add a mockup. Back to Photoshop. Create a new document of the same size, 6 by 8 inches. Import the design and reduce the size. Duplicate the layer and change the overlay color of the first layer to blue or purple and rotate it. Now to this layer, add a drop shadow and outer glow. That's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and you can check other videos. I really appreciate everyone's support. Hope you get something out of this. See you in the next video.